Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll share with you unboxing and first look of a new CJRB knife that I recently got, and it has been a while since I got any kind of CJRB or artisan cutlery, which is the main owner of this brand in my channel. So I was really intrigued. It will be not a micarta one, so that has been stated at the start. This will be a titanium version of the Pyrite. So the Pyrite is a new button lock design from CJRB. The model number is J1925-TI, and the Pyrite did released a couple of months ago, but yeah, it was just a stainless steel version, and I was looking at it, but yeah, firstly I wanted to get some other knives, and when the titanium version hit, I jumped on it and I get it one to see for myself where is the hype. So what is going on with these new button locks from CJRB. So I forgot to mention, we have a really nice sturdy box, and then we have a nice pouch for two knives, silica packet, and a baggie. And this is not your flimsy bag, this is a heavy duty, heavy plastic bag. So they did go the extra mile and invested a little bit more in the packaging. I dare to say this is another $20 worth of materials what could be saved on the price, but they definitely want to give you the premium feeling, also with the CJRB brand, which is positioned a little bit below the artisan cutlery, where you have those full titanium scales, really excellent high-end steels and so on. So this is the knife itself, and I was really really surprised that they went this way and gave the titanium treatment to basically what is a value oriented division of artisan cutlery. So let me give you the specifications. So we have an over length of 18.6 centimeter or 7.3 inches. The blade is 8 centimeter, 3.1 inch. The width is 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. The thickness is 2.7 millimeters or 0.1 inch. The handle length is 10.7 centimeters or 4.2 inches. And the thickness of the scales are 1.1 centimeters or 0.4 inches, that is without the pocket clip, of course. So let me show you the really nice lines that this knife has, and that was what drew me to it. That no nonsense, practical, straight design, which is excellent for small hands, large hands. You can definitely design a knife which will be fitting all sizes of hands and still have a really nice knife on your hand. So okay, so for the materials, on the blade we have ARP M9, which is a hard carbon stainless steel, and it was developed in-house for artisan cutlery. With a beautiful drop point flat grind blade, with nice stone wash, which I really appreciate, and giving big thumbs up to CJRB that they did not go the cheap way, quotes unquote, with a bead blasted finish, or just painted the blade with some kind of paint. But there should be a version also with which is full blacked out. I don't know what kind of procedure was used, if it is PVD or some kind of Teflon coating, but yeah, those look also very nice. Okay, so they are giving also nice for finger choil, so you can choke up for all those detail works. You can use this knife for, and for the handles we have. So the standard version has stainless steel liners and stainless steel overlays, and this one has nice gray titanium matte finishing on the scales itself. We are getting really heavy skeletonization work inside, so this will fairly lighten up the knife severely, so that is really good to have. Pivot assembly, it rides on ceramic cage ball bearing washers, and for the lock we have the button lock, and we have a really nice action on it. Centering, perfectly centered. We have two standoffs for the construction, and a really nice generous landing hole. And as you can see here, the pocket clip is reversible, so big thumbs down again. Thank you for thinking to everybody who wants to carry this knife on the left side. So yeah, that is a huge bonus in my opinion, because lots of companies are forgetting about this stuff for, I don't know for what reason. Okay, opening is via the nice Thumbstuds that really grip your flesh of your thumb, or you can probably open it with the centrifugal force. Yes, you can. Let me check the lockup. Yeah, perfectly, really tight, so there is no blade play whatsoever, so up and down, perfect. Okay, let's see the sharpness. I'm really interested too. I have not checked this one. Oh, nice. Nice. This is really sharp. So yeah, excellent sharpening, and I really like design. My only gripe would be probably why it is not those 2 centimeters longer to give it a 20, let's say 21 centimeter overall length, which will be a full-size knife. But yeah, maybe in the future there will be a full-size version. Who knows? But I would prefer a little bit larger one, but that is me. Okay, now let's see the pocket profile. Let me check the stiffness of the pocket clip. So we have medium stiff, and for some reason it won't go inside. Yeah, let's do it once again. Yeah, it is nicely and smooth underneath, so it should be no problems there. Maybe I just bunched up the fabric, but this is how much it will be sticking out. So this is true deep carry pocket clip goodness we are getting. Okay, so now let's see few size comparisons, and before let's talk about the variants. So like I mentioned, the original Pyrite was released in the stainless steel version, but now you are also getting the titanium version. There is also a full blacked out version, and a week after I ordered this one, they released another configuration of the blade. So with a beautiful sheep's foot, or I don't know the configuration, what they calling it, but yeah, reverse tento, maybe, probably. I cannot remember the configuration, but yes, I wanted to get that one also, but it was not offered in the titanium version, only the stainless steel. So maybe in the future there will be another version made with that configuration with the titanium, and try to get it. So, but first, would like to have in this platform, if they would offer this one in my cart, of course. So I hopefully in the future there will be a few configurations you can choose from. Currently there is only stainless steel, full stonewashed, so handle and also blade, then titanium one, stonewashed, and this gray satin and full stealth blackout versions. So now let's see a few size comparisons. So let me break out the small feldspar from CJRB. So you are getting similar sizes, a little bit larger. And when I'm talking, I would like to have a full size one. So here is the full sized feldspar. So this is what I would like to have. Still, they remind me a little bit to the feldspar, which I really love. And this design is awesome. Only downside is that this was a limited edition for Knife Center with this beautiful canvas, Berlin micarta scales, and I hope if somebody from CJRB will see this video, that they release also a standard version with this Berlin micarta. That will be an awesome configuration. Let me try to mimic it. Oh, something like this. It will look really nice. Okay, let's continue with a small Griptilian from Benchmade with the Benchmade bug out. There is the QSP Penguin and the CVV Elementum. Paramilitary 3. Here is the CVV Rustic Gent. Bucksprint Pro, another beautiful Berlin micarta scales. Here is a CRKT Pilar 1. Let's continue with the Red Model 2. Here is the Kaiser Begleiter 2. Red Model 1 will look brutally oversized compared with the Pyrite, but here's the Kaiser Pinch. And let's see what I have here on the table. Let's do also a case Swordbuster Junior. Spyderco Delica, and let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so now let's talk about a little bit about pricing. So this will be a little bit more expensive than your usually your CJRBs are, just given that this is titanium, of course. So the MSRP is $106.65. So usually this will go at the dealers for around $80 or 90 euros, depending on your preferred dealer or retailer, of course. But let me hear out. So for around $80 you are getting a beautiful knife which has all the good features incorporated. So functional blade shape, nice stone wash, with it will be protected from corrosion, but usually every time I tell use your preferred corrosion inhibitor. If nothing else, then just use any kind of vegetable oil and the knife blade will be protected. So you are getting a safe lock construction, so there are no fingers in the way of closing the blade like you have with the liner lock, frame lock, and so on. So yeah, and also it has that fidgety factor, and by closing it, opening and play with it, your fingers will be not damaged by roughness of the jimped liner or frame log and so on. So yeah, it will make you happy to carry it and use it, in my opinion. Only thing that I would like to change on this one is the size. But that has something to do with my hands. But anything than that, I would say this is a, or will be a home run bestseller for CJRB in the future. And with that, with those new configurations for the blade, wow, that will be really nice to have. Okay, so this was the CJRB Pyrite in titanium. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate taking your time watching my videos and giving me your feedback. And if you are not subscribed, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my other hobbies. That being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.